Welcome to our ultimate guide on meal prep ideas for a healthy week. Listen up, you lot. It's time to ditch the takeout menus and those frozen disasters you call dinner. In this video, we'll share some fantastic tips and recipes to keep you on track with your health goals. We're talking proper meal prep, the kind that'll make you feel like a culinary genius, not a donkey. Right, let's get one thing straight. Meal prepping isn't just some fancy fad for Instagram chefs. It's about taking control of your bloody diet and your time. You think I gotta be where I am by shoveling takeaway down my gob every night? No! Planning your meals ahead of time stops you from reaching for those greasy, unhealthy options when you're knackered after a long day. And for God's sake, it saves you money. So stop making excuses and listen up. Now, we're starting with breakfast, the most important meal of the bloody day. It's the meal that sets the tone for everything that follows. Whether you're heading to work, school, or just planning to lounge around, a good breakfast fuels your body and mind, and don't you dare tell me you don't have time for breakfast. We all know mornings can be hectic, but skipping breakfast is a big no-no. It's like trying to drive a car without any petrol. You wouldn't do that, would you? This recipe is so simple, even a donkey could make it overnight oats. It's a game changer for those busy mornings. You prepare it the night before and it's ready to go when you wake up. No fuss, no muss. Get your jars out, you lot. Any jar will do as long as it has a lid. Mason jars are perfect. But you can use any container you have on hand. The key is to make it convenient and easy. Layer in some rolled oats, chia seeds, and don't be shy with the portions. These ingredients are packed with nutrients. Oats are a great source of fiber and chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. Yogurt, Greek yogurt, none of that sugary rubbish, a drizzle of honey and some chopped fruit. Greek yogurt adds a creamy texture and is high in protein. Honey gives a natural sweetness and the fruit adds freshness and vitamins. Bung it in the fridge overnight and boom, the magic happens while you sleep. The oats soak up the liquid, the chia seeds expand and all the flavors meld together beautifully. You've got yourself a nutritious, delicious breakfast ready to go. Just grab it from the fridge, give it a stir and you're set. It's perfect for those mornings when you're running late or just want something quick and healthy. No more excuses for skipping the most important meal of the day. With overnight oats, you can start your day like a champion, feeling energized and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. So, give it a try and see the difference it makes. Chapter 3. Lunchtime, and I bet you're already reaching for that sad, soggy sandwich, but wait, before you take another bite of that uninspiring meal, let me introduce you to something that's going to change your lunchtime game forever. Stop right there. We're having a quinoa salad that'll blow your taste buds away. Imagine a bowl filled with vibrant colors, textures, and flavors that dance on your palate. This isn't some rabbit food salad, mind you. We're talking about a hearty, satisfying meal that will keep you full and energized throughout the day. We're talking big, bold flavors. Think of the freshest ingredients coming together in perfect harmony. Cook up a batch of quinoa. Make sure it's fluffy, not clumpy. You hear me? The key to a great quinoa salad is perfectly cooked quinoa. Rinse it well before cooking to remove any bitterness and use a 2-1 water to quinoa ratio. Then we're going in with roasted vegetables, peppers, courgettes, and don't forget to season them well. Roasting brings out their natural sweetness and adds a lovely char. Red onions get some color on them. The caramelization of the onions adds a depth of flavor that's simply irresistible. Add in some protein, grilled chicken, which adds a smoky, savory element to the salad, or chickpeas, your choice, and a zingy lemon vinaigrette. The chickpeas add a nice crunch and are a great plant-based protein option. The lemon vinaigrette ties everything together with its bright, tangy flavor. Boom! A salad that even a meat lover like me can get behind. It's nutritious, delicious, and anything but boring. So next time you're thinking about that sad sandwich, remember this quinoa salad sensation. Chapter 4, dinner time, and we're not settling for any old rubbish tonight. We're having baked salmon with roasted vegetables, a true delight. Salmon is packed with omega-3s, good for your brain. Not that you lot need any help in that department. Season the salmon with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon for extra flavor. Roast up some vegetables, broccoli, asparagus, cherry tomatoes. Keep them vibrant and fresh. Pop the salmon on top of the vegetables and bake until the salmon is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. A restaurant-quality meal, prepped and ready to go, just for you. You can thank me later. Enjoy your meal. Chapter 5. Listen, we all get those snack cravings. You know the feeling, right? It's mid-afternoon and suddenly you need a pick-me-up. But instead of reaching for something unhealthy, let's make a better choice. We're making energy balls today, and trust me, they're a game changer. Not only are they delicious, but they're also packed with nutrients that will keep you energized and satisfied. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need some dates, nuts, and seeds. These little beauties are packed with nutrients and will give you a much-needed energy boost. Blitz together some dates, nuts, seeds. I like pumpkin seeds. They've got a good bite, and they add a nice crunch to the mix. Plus, they're loaded with healthy fats and protein. Next, add a tablespoon of nut butter. This helps to bind everything together and adds a creamy texture. You can use almond butter, peanut butter, or any nut butter you prefer. Once everything is well mixed, roll the mixture into small balls. This part is fun and a great way to get the kids involved in the kitchen. For an extra touch of flavor and texture, coat the balls in desiccated coconut. It adds a lovely sweetness and makes them look even more appealing. There you have it, a healthy, delicious snack that'll keep those cravings at bay. Perfect for a quick energy boost or a post-workout treat. No more excuses for reaching for the junk food, you hear me? With these energy balls, you're all set to tackle those snack attacks head on. Enjoy! Ultra thanks for watching. We hope these meal prep ideas help you have a healthy and delicious week. Remember, proper meal prep is the key to a healthier, happier you. Now get in the kitchen and start cooking. And for God's sake, don't burn the bloody food. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content.